This video is all about unlocking your RAM's full potential and stopping it from limiting your FPS. After applying these tweaks, I got higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and zero micro stutters, even in memory-heavy games. In this video, I'll show you every hidden Windows setting that silently steals your RAM while you play. Stick around to finally make your memory work at full power. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. So guys, first we're going to fix one small Windows behavior that quietly hurts RAM performance during long gaming sessions. This is important because when RAM is not managed properly, FPS can drop and stutters start to appear even if your hardware is decent. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing Registry Editor. When it appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is necessary because we are changing a system-level setting that controls how Windows handles memory. Once the registry editor opens, go to the address bar at the top. Instead of searching manually, copy the exact registry path from the video description. Paste it there and press Enter. This makes sure you land in the correct place without any confusion. On the right side, look for a value named Clear Page File at Shutdown. This setting tells Windows whether it should clear certain memory data every time the PC shuts down. Double-click on this value to open it. Change the value data to 1, then click OK. What this does is stop Windows from clearing memory data unnecessarily. By disabling this behavior, your RAM can be reused more efficiently, helping maintain smoother FPS and better stability over time. You might notice that your PC sometimes takes a little longer to shut down after this change, and that's completely normal. This tweak is safe for all systems and does not harm your PC. It simply allows Windows to handle memory in a smarter way, which is especially helpful if your RAM is already limiting your FPS during gaming. Alright guys, now we're going to stop a hidden Windows feature that keeps watching your RAM all the time, even when you're gaming. This matters because constant monitoring adds extra memory pressure in the background, which can slowly eat into your available RAM and cause stutters or FPS drops. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing gpedit.msc, then press Enter. This will open the Group Policy Editor. If you're on a Windows edition that supports it, the window will appear right away. Once it's open, look at the left side and carefully follow this path step by step. Click Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates, then System, then scroll down and find Troubleshooting and Diagnostics, and finally, Windows Memory Leak Diagnostics. Take your time here and make sure each folder is opened in the correct order. On the right side, find a setting called Configure Scenario Execution Level and double-click on it. A new window will open. By default, this option is usually enabled or set to a monitoring mode. Change it to disabled, then click Apply and OK. When this feature is active, Windows constantly scans running programs, tracks memory behavior, and runs background analysis to detect possible memory leaks. While this can be useful for developers, it is unnecessary for gaming and can cause extra RAM usage and micro stutters. Disabling it simply tells Windows to stop doing this background analysis. Now guys, if you're struggling with lag or high ping in your games, Gear Up Booster is the ultimate fix. Here's how it works. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Now guys, we're going to stop Windows from constantly scanning your files in memory, which is one of the hidden reasons your RAM gets stressed and your games stutter. Every time Windows tries to index files or optimize memory in the background, it steals resources your games need, causing random FPS drops and hitching. Start by opening the Windows search bar, type Services and press Enter. This opens the Services window, where you can see all the background tasks running on your PC. Scroll down carefully until you find Windows Search. Double-click on it, then click Stop to immediately halt the service. After that, change the startup type to Disabled, so it won't automatically restart when your PC boots. Next, scroll a little further down and locate SysMain. This service, formerly called Superfetch, continuously tries to preload apps into memory to make them start faster, but in reality, it can create extra RAM pressure while gaming. Double-click SysMain, click Stop, and set the startup type to Disabled as well. With both of these services turned off, Windows will no longer scan files or preload programs unnecessarily in the background. This reduces RAM and disk spikes, making your system more stable and responsive while gaming. You'll notice smoother gameplay, faster asset streaming, and fewer micro-stutters, especially in open-world or asset-heavy games. So guys, now we're going to fix how Windows uses the page file, which is basically extra memory on your drive when RAM fills up. This is a big deal because if Windows mismanages it, your games can stutter badly whenever RAM usage spikes, especially on slower drives. Start by opening Control Panel, then go to System and click on Advanced System Settings on the left side. A new window will pop up. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Now switch to the Advanced tab and click Virtual Memory. Here, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Windows normally decides for itself how big the page file should be, but this can lead to sudden resizing while you're gaming, which causes stutters. To fix this, choose your fastest SSD and enable the page file only on that drive. Then select Custom Size. Now for the initial size, take the total amount of RAM installed in your system. Multiply it by 1024. For example, if your PC has 16 gigabytes of RAM, we calculate the page file like this. 16 times 1024 equals 16,384 megabytes. Enter 16,384 megabytes in the initial size box. This ensures that Windows has a good baseline of virtual memory ready immediately, instead of dynamically creating it while you're gaming, which can cause stutters. Maximum size. To calculate this, we take the initial size we just set and multiply it by 1.5. 16,384 times 1.5 equals 24,576 megabytes. Enter 24,576 megabytes in the maximum size box. This ensures that even in extreme memory-heavy situations, Windows has enough space to offload extra data without causing sudden slowdowns or frame drops. Once both numbers are entered, click Set to apply these custom values. Then click OK to save the changes. By doing this, Windows will no longer resize the page file on the fly, which eliminates sudden stutters and makes RAM usage more predictable. This tweak improves frame consistency, especially in games that heavily use memory or open large worlds, because your system won't pause to juggle page file changes mid-game. Alright guys, now we're going to stop Windows from compressing memory, which may sound like a smart feature, but in reality, it can slow down your games. Memory compression works by packing data in RAM to save space, but that adds extra CPU work and can cause uneven frame times, stutters, and input lag. Start by opening Windows Security from the search bar. Once it's open, click Device Security, then go to Core Isolation. Look for Memory Integrity and switch it off. After doing this, restart your PC to apply the change. Disabling memory compression reduces unnecessary CPU overhead and lowers memory latency. This means your system can feed data to games faster, frames arrive more evenly, and your RAM can work at full efficiency. The result is smoother gameplay, fewer stutters, and more consistent FPS during heavy gaming sessions. Don't worry, this is completely safe and won't harm your PC. It just stops a feature that's counterproductive for gaming. Now guys, we're going to make sure unnecessary apps don't steal your RAM while you're gaming, which is a major cause of stutters and FPS drops. Even apps you rarely open, they can quietly run in the background, taking memory and causing your system to create page faults. Start by opening Settings and going to Apps, then click Startup. Look through the list and disable any non-essential apps. Things like game launchers, web browsers, or overlay tools you don't need running all the time. Next, find any app that doesn't need to run in the background, click the arrow next to it, and open Advanced Options. Scroll to Background App Permissions and set it to Never. This ensures these apps cannot wake up or use RAM while you're playing. Once this is done, your system has far less background memory pressure. RAM is freed up for your game, page faults are reduced, and the result is smoother gameplay with fewer microstutters. Your PC can now focus fully on delivering the best possible performance during every gaming session. That's it for unlocking your RAM and boosting FPS. Try these tweaks and feel the difference in every game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss a performance guide.